Hi, this is the extra practice work for Barton Level 4 and Lesson 10. This is introducing the schwa to students. So let's take a look at which rule that is. We call this the banana rule. An open A that is not accented goes to schwa. So the letters that would be schwa in banana are actually this A, and this A, This closed one in the middle is not schwa. It's actually a closed syllable, which means it's short. A as an apple. Banana. Okay, so for a lot of kids, they've been spelling the sound at the end of the word with either an open U or sometimes even an open O. So that is what we're working on here. All right, so let's get to the practice work today using our new banana rule. Create a real word by putting a vowel in the blank line. That vowel will make the schwa sound. And then the students can use their spell checker when needed. So as a reminder, if your student doesn't have a spell checker, you can purchase one from spellingsuccess.com. They have the spell checkers that align with the Barton system. Your student could also use their phone, but they should have one if they're working remotely with a tutor. They should have their own then because we use it so often. Okay, so buffalo. Here's a hint. Most of these are going to be A's. Panda. There's your schwa. Go. Comma. Abandon. Canada. Probably get the hint by now. Let's go back up to the top. Along, across, soda, adult, vanilla, and make sure there's a capital A on this one for Alaska. Okay, extra practice number 4. Underline each vowel that makes the schwa sound on the blank, write the spelling rule that it follows. So either the banana rule, which again is going to be open A's, or is it next to an L? So in this case, the word hazel, here's the schwa right here. So this will be a vowel L. Umbrella, that's a banana rule. Now this word would divide like this. Here's your schwa right here. So this is another banana rule. Privacy. Spiral, this is a vowel L. Those are pretty easy to spot. Soda, this is banana. Ick, that is a banana. Pupil, here's your vowel L. Mama, here's your banana. Tunnel, vowel L. Antenna, banana. Now Canada's gonna have 2. Get 2 in there. Awaken, banana. Mammal is a vowel L. And cinnamon. This is a schwa right here, so this is another banana. And then the last one is draw lines between who did what, where, add-on phrase, create a real sentence and a silly state sentence. So they should be creating 2 sentences here. Okay. So the next part of their practice will be the fluency drills. And just like always, I always encourage taking control of that word by decoding it, which means dividing it up. Okay, so I mean, some of these they're gonna know, but like I bet they might not know the word Manila. We have 2 schwas in this word, so that's a classic banana rule right there. Tom, ick. So you can see these are a little bit challenging to decode because if we were following the exact rules, this word would be atomic. And I would say that doesn't make a real word. So we'd have to play around with division here to get to atomic. All of these words they're going to see quite a few times. I'm looking through this list here. They're going to see quite a few times in the stories that they're reading. So most of these they will probably be somewhat familiar with. Stigma, I don't think we read that. Manila, I don't think we read that. Almost all the rest of them we're going to read though. I want to point out a word. Where did I see it? Caress, that's a tricky word because the accent is in this is a French word, the accent is in the second syllable, which means the schwa is right here. So they might read this as caress initially. Oh, and here's another French word, salon. Again, the accent is in the second syllable, lawn. This does not go to schwa here. So in your first syllable here, this is going to be your schwa, salon. And then here's the second part. Again, I would have them decode and use them in a sentence if they don't know what they mean. So the vocabulary is just as important as the decoding skill. So that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.